Maiwasan po natin yung mga damages, okay? So, a pleasant afternoon to all of you and welcome to today's webinar. I am LEK who will give you a few reminders before you enter the magical world of this webinar. So, please po, especially parent po, makinig po tayo ng mabuti. So, number one, watch your steps and belongings inside. For we are not liable of your loss. Hindi po magiging sagutin ng kumpanya kung anong bagay po ang mawala sa inyo. Second, please don't wait for damage any of our friendly pictures or station displays, for there will be a corresponding charge to it, minimum of 5,000 pesos. So please, ma'am and sir, kids, no sitting on the rocks and no pulling of any strings inside, but to still take photos and videos. And once you finish all the stations here, you will witness a world-class performance of our stunning charters in the Illumina show, which will happen on the second part of your journey. So we have a total of 36 stations, and this is your first station here, and welcome to Netherlands. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet Dala Kid. Si Dala Kid po, isa po siyang uli ng Balete 3 na matatagpuan sa Negros Oriental at 1,320 years old na po siyang nabubuhay sa atin until now. That's why he is one of the oldest tree in the Philippines, and it takes about 42 grown men to encircle its trunk sa ganun po siya kasi. Papaikutan mo siya ng 42 mata o
Pag kayo,
para masukat yung
baka kamukhang depressed.
So that is the rock.
Baka
The team
kamukhang
of Illumina is based on Philippine mythology and folklore
Pero
of
kamukhang
Philippines.
depressed.
So dito po inside
Sa may time na ito.
creatures, gods, and goddesses. Mapapakinggan po ang story of Iwo, Darna, Lorante, at Laura.
Talaga.
Sa last part po ng journey niyo yung aming live performance. And that's all. Thank you for listening to everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, come forward. Ay, sige, teachers muna. Pinatapos tayo sa front.
Going at the Honolulu just to get them away.